Hello everybody, today I'm showing you how you can download Windows 11 ISO file, okay, ISO image, okay, how you can download. So first of all, open the Chrome browser. When you open the Chrome browser, search here Windows 11 ISO file download, okay. When you search here, the first link will appear. Open the first link. When you open the first link, slide down a little bit, okay, slide down the little bit. You can see the download Windows 11 disk image, okay. So this one, okay, so select here. I'll select Windows 11 multi edition iOS, okay, and confirm, and wait for a moment. It asks me for language. I'll select English United States, okay, and confirm. 64-bit, yes, I need 64-bit. Okay, it asks me where I want to download. Just I'll save the location, okay. So you can see it's downloading, okay, it's downloading in my computer. So just I have to wait for a moment and it will download. Okay, so now you can see I have downloaded my ISO, okay, ISO file. You can see this is the download, okay. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Bye.